Got the data. What we got?
Okay, I think the JOLTS number looks a little frightening from a market perspective. It's a little stronger than anticipated. It's quite a lot stronger than anticipated. The ISM manufacturing number comes in broadly in line with expectations. Those are the headlines. Let's get the details. Mike McKee, over to you.
Guy, you're right. We have a very strong JOLTS number, and it's important to the markets because it's important to the Fed. Their argument is that unemployment doesn't have to come up too much because there's still a lot of job openings for people to absorb people who lose their jobs, and that is certainly the case. 10,458,000 is the number, and that is up from 10,333,000. So a significant increase in the number of open jobs. If indeed that is correct. We were talking earlier about the fact that some of these may be duplicates, but it's still a lot of job openings. And according to the BLS, 6.1 million people were hired during the month, so that still leaves vacancies of about 4 million. So the labor market, as far as the Fed is concerned, will remain extremely tight, and that pushes you into that higher wages category. However, the good news on the other side, if you could call it that, is that ISM manufacturing falls to 48.4 from 49. It does show the Fed's medicine is working to slow the economy on the factory floor. New orders fall to 45.2, but here's the number that's going to get Wall Street excited. Prices paid fall to 39.4. That's the lowest since April of 2020 when, of course, the pandemic was just hitting. But basically, it shows that on the factory side, goods prices coming in, the raw materials prices are falling significantly. Backlog of orders rises a little bit, and new export orders falls. So overall, it is a reasonably good report for manufacturing PMI. Let me just mention in employment at 51.4. That goes up from 48.4. So people still have jobs, and there are still job openings. That's the conclusion. The labor market, at least according to these two data points, remains strong.